Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the difference between cropped stickers, like pre-cropped stickers, and then just regular printable stickers that you can use as digital stickers. So normally when you buy digital stickers, either they will say pre-cropped, which is what we'll talk about, or they'll just say digital stickers, okay? And those aren't pre-cropped. So I'll tell you guys and show you guys what the difference between those is. But first, in order to do that, we got to talk about what the files look like for pre-cropped stickers and regular stickers. So before I get started, please just don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up so that you guys are subscribed to my channel. And if you can, also click on the bell notification so that you guys are notified of when I post new videos, because I think they're pretty helpful and pretty awesome. So please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. So now let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so looking at my laptop here, pre-cropped stickers, as far as I know, are only for GoodNotes. So if you're using the app GoodNotes, then you can use pre-cropped stickers. I don't know of any other app as of right now that will use pre-cropped stickers, since the pre-cropped stickers that I do create are a GoodNotes file. So if you have GoodNotes and you want to get pre-cropped stickers, then that's amazing and that's great. And they're just so easy to use. If you guys could see here, let me try to make the icon size a little bigger. Wow guys, that's perfect. Okay, so the GoodNotes stickers that I have here, these are pre-cropped stickers. So all I did right now is, like, when you buy the file, you download it to your computer and it's a zip file. It's always going to be a zip file if it's pre-cropped, okay? So you do not want to unzip this, not for pre-cropped stickers. You only want to unzip something if there's like JPG files inside, or PNG files, or PDF files, or something that you need inside the zip folder. But for pre-cropped, you don't want to unzip this. You're just going to keep it as is and you're going to email it to yourself. Now for regular stickers, they're going to be a PDF file. So this one I could click on, and this is what it looks like here. This is just like a regular sticker sheet, not pre-cropped. So I have these available in my shop. You could either just print these out on a piece of paper, you could cut them and put them into physical planners, or you could also use these guys as digital stickers. So this is a PDF file. They also come in JPG, and all of my pre-cropped stickers also come in a PDF file, so that if you do not have GoodNotes, you can still use the file. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is just open up my email, and I'm going to email this to my device. So I'm just going to send myself an email here. I'm going to look at my files, and I'm going to drag and drop both of those into my email, and then I'm just going to email it to myself so I can open them from my device. And again, as a reminder, I did not open up the zip file. It's still here as .zip. It says goodnotes.zip. So I'm going to click send without subject, that's fine. And now you guys could already see here, it popped up, and now I could access it from my device. So I'm using an iPad Pro 11-inch, and what I'm going to do is just go to Gmail. I don't want the app, not interested. And I'm just going to go into my email, and here is the email, okay? So for the PDF, I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to click this arrow up here, and I'm going to look for GoodNotes. So copy to GoodNotes, and I'm going to do that right there. And I'm going to create a new document. So I have those stickers here as a PDF. Now the other ones, I'm going to go back to Safari and my email, and this one I'm going to click on the zip file, and I should get a pop-up here, or if you get a pop-up, you use the pop-up. If not, it just comes up here, open in GoodNotes. So I'm going to do that, click on categorize, and then I have those here. So my pre-cropped stickers are super easy to use. All I do is click this lasso tool, make sure I have images selected, you don't need handwriting on, and then I'm just going to lasso this, and I can move this around anywhere I want. I could also tap, I could copy, I could paste this into my planner, and now I have this guy right here. I could resize, I could do whatever I gotta do to make it fit into my planner. So those are pre-cropped stickers. They're so easy to use. All you do is copy and paste. Now with non-pre-cropped stickers, you can still use them, okay? It just has an extra step. So again, I'm going to click my lasso tool. I'm going to lasso around this reed sticker, and here you see you only have the option to take screenshot. So I'm going to take that screenshot. I'm going to click this arrow up here, and I'm going to click copy or save image. Now copy is going to allow me to copy this, and then I could just paste this into another spread. I can crop it. Okay, so if I just crop it like this, I could click done, crop, and I could still resize. Okay, if you open up a new document, like let's say I want to have just like a regular new page, let me open up to a clean page. I could do the same thing. So I selected copy already, so let's just click paste here. Okay, and I'm just going to tap. If I want to use this again, I could copy and then paste elsewhere. Another way to do this is just to select it, okay, take screenshot, the arrow again, and you could save the image. You could put this into like your stickers inside your planner. Like let's say if I want to put this in my stickers tab, which I have a whole bunch here already, so let me go to a clean page. Instead of me just tapping down and click paste, which is what we had before, we had the we copied it. So instead of just clicking paste, I could go to add image, click from my photos, my camera roll, and then I'll have the same exact image. So it's a little easier to do copy and then paste, but I do like to just keep them in a separate document so that I have them for the future. So it's kind of in a way that you're pre-cropping your own stickers when you don't buy pre-cropped stickers. As long as you're saving them in like one centralized location, then later you'll be able to just like copy this and I could paste it elsewhere. Okay, you could do that with both of these. So that's just the only difference between cropped and pre-cropped stickers. So pre-cropped, you're just copying and pasting, whereas non-pre-cropped, you have to click take screenshot, then the arrow, and then copy. So it's like 2 extra buttons you just gotta press. So that's why pre-cropped stickers are kind of cool, because they're already like cropped down for you to the proper size, and you just copy and paste it. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about what the difference between those was, because I get questions about that all the time. People DM me asking me questions, people message me asking me questions, so I thought a whole bunch of you guys are going to want to know what the difference between cropped, pre-cropped, and just like regular stickers is. So that's the difference. There's not much to it, but yeah, it's just like one extra little step. But any kind of stickers or anything like that you still can use if you're using GoodNotes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys found it helpful. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Just make sure you click that red subscribe button so that you guys are notified of when I post new videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Talk to you next time. Bye.